Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is a plant. Convenient sideways because of the frozen soil. And today we're talking about nature. As you can see, roses behind us. I don't think you can see that, but bird seeds are just what birds eat, and trees are just part of nature, and trees are also plants. Jupiter is a big fella up in space that's flying around. The sun's a very, very big fella. That too. And the sun's what created life. Yep. And we're in a livable part space, but let's just talk about nature. And flowers and trees, not it. There's grass too. And a forest. And what about mint too? That's nature too. And a tomato plant. And I think that's it.
That's it?
Just king subscribers. Okay. Now you can create a tree with that. And bird seeds. I know. Ew. And I don't like bird seeds because I'm not a bird. Okay. Hey. And we have a bird feeder up there, and I think that's it. I have nothing to talk about, subscribers. Bye. Hope you subscribe. Bye.